Welcome back to Value Growth Index. My name is Joseph, and today I'll be talking about why GameStop proves that you should own some Bitcoin. Let's get started. First off, GameStop. What can I say? I'm sure most of you have heard what happened, but let's take it from the top. These big institutional companies like Melvin Capital, Citron, these companies started shorting GameStop, but they shorted 120% of the shares outstanding. How is that possible? You can't short some more than 100% of something, but they did it anyway. So the forum Wall Street Bets on Reddit saw this as an opportunity to create a short squeeze. So everyone started buying the stock, and it started driving the stock price up. It was trading about $20, and it peaked at, I believe, $480. The firms got hurt so badly; they lost billions, and this turned them to go onto the offensive. They went on TV to scream and say Wall Street Bets was manipulating the markets, but it's ironic because firms have been doing it for years. CNBC says they advertised it, that Melvin Capital closed their short position, even though they never did. They were advertising it like it was something important in the markets. Brokers limited trading or outright banned them. Look at Robinhood. Robinhood wouldn't even let you buy GameStop. They said, nope, you can only sell it. So who backs them? Citadel. Citadel backs Melvin Capital. It's very weird. Then they halted the positions when the stock started moving. Then they tried to shut down Wall Street Bets. So all of this market manipulation that they were doing, they were slandering Wall Street Bets. They were lying. They were saying the positions were closed. It was ridiculous. They stopped the trading. It took the stock from $480 to about $92 at the moment. So this basically goes to show they control the markets and the money. They will not let you win. If you're not on their side, they will do whatever it takes to make sure you're on the losing end of the stick. So there's a saying, if you can't beat them, join them. But Bitcoin offers another opportunity. If you can't beat them at their own game, you can change the game. Bitcoin is a decentralized asset, and it's not controlled by one person or one group. It's all open source. You can see all the transactions, what's happening within Bitcoin. It's all transparent, unlike these big companies. After witnessing what happened with GameStop and the blatant market manipulation that these firms are doing, it makes you think, why would you want to be on the system that these people get to control what happens? These are the same people that were drinking champagne over the balconies in 2008 when they crashed the housing markets. This offers you the opportunity to get out. Bitcoin cannot be controlled by a Melvin Capital or a Citron Research or a JP Morgan. This offers you a way to win. If you cannot beat them at their own game, change the game. Remember, I'm saying this. We see time in and time out that these companies completely manipulate the markets. Robinhood, you can go through a list. They get on TV, they had 3 different stories of why they stopped GameStop. They went out and did whatever they could to not lose power. Bitcoin allows you to avoid this. They cannot short ladder attack the stock. They can't manipulate it. Yeah, they might be able to buy it up a little bit and send it back down, but they cannot control it like they do these stocks. They don't have influence on Bitcoin. They can't tell the brokers stop trading it. Don't let it on their platform. They can't do that. If you got anything out of what happened with GameStop, it should be to start considering Bitcoin. Seriously, this is now the time. This was a huge catalyst for Bitcoin. Now, if you also watch the video my co-host did about Bitcoin and Tesla,
The world's richest man now investing $1.5 billion worth of his company's money in the cryptocurrency.
that's another one. But it goes to show that these big old institutions, they do what they want. If they don't like what happened, they tell other people to fix it. So, with everything that happened, I think you should start considering Bitcoin. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so my advice is don't do more than you can afford to lose. Just a little bit, enough. But I'm putting my money where my mouth is. Bitcoin is my biggest position out of every asset I own. Make sure you absolutely obliterate that like button. Send that like button to the moon.